Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 best DMA Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, DMA stands for Direct Market Access, which essentially is a trading system where traders have direct access to the market through electronic trade executions. Trading with direct market access basically allows a trader to easily trade with liquidity providers in the Forex market. Now let's jump into the top 5 best DMA Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. At number 4 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts with over 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, tighter spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, an economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies. At number 2 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and ebooks for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the best DMA Forex brokers, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as monthly webinars that you can sign up to for a more in-depth educational experience. And those are the top 5 best DMA Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares Now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.